We're going to make some soap today. Thank you to the brand for sending us this free soap making kit. It looks really easy, so let's get started. I have some lavender from my garden that we'll keep for later to put in. I'm just going to take the soap base and cut it into chunks and put it in a double boiler. This is olive oil clear. I don't know if I want you to cut it to the side. It's pretty easy to cut.
As you're struggling to cut it.
Stop. So they don't have to be perfect, but just in smaller chunks so that it will melt easier. There are also instructions for in the microwave if you'd rather melt it in the microwave. I think maybe we'll cut up, but I don't know. I can try.
Try caramel.
And maybe do one more after that. Okay, we've got our mold and we've melted the soap. And we're just going to pour it in here so it'll be easier to pour. Okay, we've got our soap in here. And we've got our lavender and we've got some rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle because the instructions said if it gets bubbles in the top, you can spray this on top to smooth it out.
I found the instructions very clear to follow, and we already had silicone molds from making candy in the past. The soap seemed to be very high quality, and I love crafty things that are also useful.
The instructions say to let it cure for 3 to 6 hours, so we're going to leave it on the counter. The soap's been sitting for about 4 hours, and this is what it looks like, nice and hardened. And we're going to take it out and show you. You can turn it around. It's easier if you go like this. Want to hold it up and show?
Wait, different one. That one doesn't look that.
Oh, that's fine. It smells good.
Get there.
All right, cool. You can put that in the dishwasher, and we'll get that one out. Nice. Those are cute little ones.
We had so much fun with this soap making kit, you can even add color and layers to it. We wrapped up the finished soap and gave it to our neighbors. If you're looking for a fun activity to have with kids, this is it.